Stomach ulcers, just the name sends a shiver down your spine. That burning pain, the gnawing discomfort. We face so many health challenges and ulcers are one of them. It can feel like a silent struggle, but you don't have to suffer in silence. Nature holds many secrets and some of them are right in our kitchens. Remember, our ancestors were wise. They used food as medicine. Today, we are rediscovering the power of these ancient remedies. Let's talk about one such miracle food, the humble cabbage. Cabbage, it's a staple in our diets, from various dishes to salads. But did you know that this simple vegetable has been used for centuries to heal stomach ulcers? Our ancestors knew its power. They would boil cabbage and give us the water to drink, or they would finely chop it and add it to stews. It worked wonders. Now science is catching up with our traditional wisdom. Cabbage is a powerhouse of nutrients. It contains a special compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane helps to protect the stomach lining from damage. It also fights against H. pylori, a bacteria that is a major cause of ulcers. Think of it like this. Cabbage acts like a shield for your stomach, protecting it from harm. It's a natural and effective way to fight ulcers. Cabbage isn't alone in this fight. Other foods can help too. Aloe vera, that spiky plant we use for our skin, also soothes the stomach. Honey, a natural sweetener, has antibacterial properties. Try incorporating these foods into your diet. Drink aloe vera juice in the morning. Add a spoonful of honey to your tea. Small changes can make a big difference. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. You have the power to heal your body naturally. Let's embrace the wisdom of tradition and the knowledge of science. Together we can win the fight against stomach ulcers.